Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I am going to try to do a tree ring pour today, and I've mixed up a few colors. I have my Master's Touch Rogue, Master's Touch Ultramarine, and a Master's Touch Gold. So I've got this measuring cup here it's a full cup. I don't think I'm going to need a full cup. This is an 8 by 10 canvas, but I'm going to make an attempt at a tree ring pour. Haven't been very successful at these in the past, so try again, right? And my white is an Artist Loft acrylic white. Just going to layer up my paints here. Gold, ultramarine, put a little more white in here, and I think I'm going to do it one more time. My paint's thickened up a little bit on me here. Ultramarine is really thick. That's much better. Okay, I'm going to top it off with a little bit of white. Put some white on the canvas so it has something to travel on. So today is a snow day for me. The roads are really bad. The weather is really bad. It's like, I think -6 right now outside. It might be warming up, but that is way too cold as far as I'm concerned. Maybe I should get the air bubbles out of this first. And here we go. I'm going to give it a try. Just making tiny little circular motions here. Colors are pretty. My circles are wonky. My hand isn't as steady as I'd like it to be. comes the white. Okay. Alright, let's see what happens here. And start tilting it. Just kind of want to go in slow circular motion here, because my colors came out really nicely defined this time. The last time I did it, they kind of all blended together. I'm going to add some white over here on the top. I don't want my colors to roll underneath. Trying to get my paint consistencies a little bit better today, and I bought some the Artist Loft, oops, there's a little color on my stick there, acrylic paints with a pump. So I took one of the pumps and I put it in my Floetrol so that I knew I was getting double the amount of Floetrol as paint. So that seems to work out good for me. Paint 1 part, Floetrol 2, and then add water till the consistency's good. So that was kind of nice. It worked out well. I did that with my white paint. Being a little bit clumsy here. Be a little more careful. That aside here. Oh, I like this over here. It's really pretty. Bring some of that off the edge here. I didn't catch the middle quickly enough, so So that kind of gave me a funny little spiral in there. But wow. Yeah, I think this one worked. I like it, I like it. Try and bring that center down a little more. So I really don't like this spot right here. Try and get that to come off. There we go. Wow. I like it, I like it. Add a little bit of white on this corner because it's looking bare. The edges here. I think I need to buy smaller gloves. Constantly having trouble pulling up my gloves here. This edge is looking pretty good. Corner, turn it around so I can see the other side. Pick up just a little bit of this and put it on this edge. Okay. Tilt it just a little bit. That corner didn't quite match there. That made it worse. A little darker here. There we go. I'm going to give it a quick torch. See if there's any air bubbles. Try and keep high. Oh, there's a few. I don't want too many pinholes in it. I don't like it when it does that. But wow, a little bare spot here. Well, there. I did it. Got some really cool little swirlies here. Oh, I like that a lot. Alright guys, well thanks for visiting with me tonight. I appreciate it. If you like watching me paint, give me a thumbs up. Bye. Okay guys, so here is this one. After sitting for a couple of minutes, it turned out very pretty. I love the way the lines come together. The different colors in there. I like it. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.